66 million years ago, Earth was ruled by giants. Dinosaurs dominated the land, the sky, and the seas. They had survived for more than 160 million years. Nothing on the planet could challenge them. On that day, everything looked normal. A Tyrannosaurus hunted near the river. Herds of Triceratops moved across open plains. Pterosaurs glided through warm skies. The forests were alive with sound. No creature knew that far beyond the sky, a mountain-sized asteroid was racing toward Earth. It was nearly 12 kilometers wide and moving faster than a rifle bullet. When it entered the atmosphere, the sky turned into fire. For a few seconds, there were two suns in the sky. Any animal that looked up saw the last thing it would ever see. The asteroid struck near what we now call the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Everything within thousands of kilometers was instantly vaporized. Forests ignited in seconds. Rock melted. The ocean itself exploded outward. Shockwaves traveled across the entire planet. Even dinosaurs on the other side of the world felt the ground shaking beneath their feet. But the impact was only the beginning. Debris blasted into space and then fell back to Earth as burning fragments. The sky rained fire. Global wildfires spread across continents. Animals that survived the explosion now faced a world in flames. Then the darkness came. Dust and ash rose high into the atmosphere and blocked the sun. For months, possibly years, sunlight could not reach the surface. Temperatures dropped. Photosynthesis stopped. Plants began to die. When the plants died, the herbivores followed. When the herbivores disappeared, the carnivores starved. The mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex, once the most powerful predator on Earth, could no longer find food. The king of the planet was helpless against a collapsing ecosystem. The oceans were no safer. Acid rain poisoned the water. Food chains collapsed there too. This was not a simple extinction. It was a total planetary shutdown. And yet, some creatures survived. Small mammals hiding in burrows. Animals that could eat seeds, roots, or dead matter. Creatures that needed little food and could live in darkness. While the giants died, the small endured. Those tiny survivors would eventually evolve into new forms of life. Millions of years later, they would give rise to humans. In a very real way, we exist because the dinosaurs disappeared. The evidence of that day is still with us. A thin layer of iridium found all around the world. A massive crater buried beneath Mexico. Fossils that suddenly stop at the same point in time. All pointing to one catastrophic moment that changed life on Earth forever. Dinosaurs ruled this planet for 160 million years. Humans have been here for only a fraction of that time. If a single asteroid could end the age of giants, what does that say about our own future? The day the dinosaurs disappeared was not just the end of their world, it was the beginning of ours. If you were standing on Earth on the last day of the dinosaurs, what would be the first thing you would notice? The light in the sky or the shaking ground? Write your answer in the comments.